看什么有 ？Okay, this is the LCD tester, and see here, this one it will go together with one PCB board here, and together with one battery here, and there is one spare tester board together with this LCD tester, and it can test both the touch and also the LCD display. So now this is an tester for iPhone 6. You can see here. So here, and now the first thing you have to do is connect the both the touch flex cable and also the LCD digitizer cable here to this test PCB board, and then install the battery here. The battery, while you install it, you have to push it inside and then to the bottom a little, then it will start here. And now we click this start the power button. Okay. And see here, it is green light now, green light, and once it is green on the LCD display, that means the touch it is okay. Okay, let me try again. Close it and then open. See here, this is power and this is the status. See, it is good, the TP is good, that means the touch is okay, and the LCD display no problem with it also. And usually what you need to do it is just this power button and also this button. The others no need to check. Okay, this one is for iPhone 6. iPhone 6. And now here it is another one for iPhone 6 Plus. 6 Plus, the same one. And then the same, you will install the battery here and then click the start button, and you have to attach the flex cable here. And now you see that it goes, it is red just now, and the TP it is not good because I didn't attach the flex cable here. Okay, close again. See. Now touch is not this bad, but LCD display is okay. So this kind of LCD tester that is separate for different versions. That means iPhone 5, 5S, 5C, 6, and 6 Plus. These five pieces are all different. So if you get the LCD testers, you will need like 5 pieces totally. But this one it will work very stable for you. If you find that there is something problem with that, you really just need to change the PCB board. No other things need to be replaced. Okay, 可以了。
对啊。